Have you ever wondered what holds all of the nucleons together in a nucleus? Or why doesn't the electrostatic repulsive force between the two protons, or all the protons with each other, why doesn't that just blow them apart? In the previous chapter, we discussed Ernest Rutherford's discovery of the atomic nucleus, how it was very small and positively charged. But scientists at the time didn't immediately accept his discovery. They reasoned that the protons were so close together, wouldn't they just blow themselves apart from one another due to the extremely large electrostatic forces? At the time, there was no known force. However, scientists soon began to realize that a previously unknown force of nature must hold true within the nucleus. This force is stronger than this electrostatic repulsive force, so they called it the strong nuclear force. Here are a couple of important properties that you should note about the strong nuclear force. First of all, it is an attractive force between two nucleons, proton to proton, or neutron to neutron, or proton to neutron. It doesn't make any distinction between protons and neutrons. Secondly, it doesn't act on electrons. It only acts on nucleons. And third, it's a short-range force, only acting within a couple of femtometers, and a femtometer is 10 to the power of negative 15 meters. So what do you need to know in terms of the AP Physics B exam? Well, you should know that the nature of the nuclear force, so that you can compare it in its strength and its range with that of the electromagnetic force. For example, you should know that the electric force is a long-range force, and this is an inverse square law that applies over long ranges, whereas the strong nuclear force is a short-range force. So at this point, we now know, historically, that there are four fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetism, the strong force, and the weak nuclear force. You might even find that there is even a fifth force that might be discovered in the next couple of years. Who knows? And that's it for this little video.